How to buy iVAULT token. So this token came under the symbol of IVT. Now before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. And also there is a referral code down in the description. You can get free money rewards on crypto with the best referral code. Simply use the codes below, fund your account and enjoy the benefits in the description. So before going on buy this token, make sure to check the next account and keep following the updates about this token. As you can see, this token is available on COINEX. You will be able to find it there. To be able to buy this token, copy the token address from here. This token address is under the base network. Open your BitKit wallet or any wallet that you use. First of all, select the base as a network from here. So after that, click on this plus icon. Now paste the token address here. So click on this plus icon to add this token to your wallet. Now go back to your wallet and find the token that you just added. So as you can see, this is our token. Click on it. So after that, click on swap, switch from here. From the top, select the token that you want to buy with, for example USDC, and make sure you have enough USDC on your wallet. Now after that, type how much you want to buy, and here we'll be able to see how much you receive. So this is enough. After that it is simple. Click on swap here and you will be able to buy this token in your wallet. So this is how to buy iVAULT token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.